Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc, Engineering and higher class also. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share, okay? Now we are going to discuss a coordinate related chapter, polar coordinate, okay? Find the polar equation of the hyperbola 9x square minus 16y square equal to 144. Find the polar equation of the hyperbola, this one, okay. First of all, we have to divide 144 by 144 to the both side of the relation 9x square minus 16y square equal to 144, okay. Dividing 144, we get x square minus 16, y square minus 9 equals to 1. Comparing this one with x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Here a square equal to 16 and that of b square equal to 9. A equal to 4, b equal to 3. Length of latus rectum 12 equal to 2b square by a. 2b square by a. Therefore 9 by 2 here. 9 by 2 here. L equal to 9 by 4. Okay. Therefore, E equal to root over of 1 plus b square by a square. Root over 1 plus b square. Root over 25 by 16. 5 by 4. Therefore, polar equation of the hyperbola is either L by R equal to 1 plus E cos theta or L by R equal to 1 minus E cos theta, according as left branch or right branch, okay. Here L equal to 9 by 4. Therefore 9 by 4 by R equal to 1 plus E means 5 by 4. 5 by 4 cos theta or 9 by 4 by R equal to 1 minus 5 by 4 cos theta. These two equations are polar form of the hyperbola 9x square minus 16y square equal to 144. Very easy to solve. If any doubt arises, please comment me. I will clear your doubt. And thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.